Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
The Chief of Defense Staff, General Lucky Irabor, said Nigeria as a nation is already contending with several asymmetric threats. The most visible, he said, are terrorism, insurgency, farmers-herders conflict, banditry, kidnapping and other forms of criminality, which have assumed new dimension with different interpretations of their causes and the personalities involved. General Irabor said as middle-level commanders, there must be a thorough understanding of the dynamics that define the crisis they will be deployed to contain.
The involvement of the armed forces in the management of such internal crises requires a complex interplay of many factors. As mid-level commanders, your role becomes even more challenging when operating in an operational environment that is intricately woven and influenced by many factors and several different actors, most of which are not defined by military necessities.
The CDS also tasked the officers to keep abreast with issues that define their operational environment, as such knowledge is required to be effective middle-level commanders.
Your men will depend on you for decision-making in every situation. This role will be well served if you are adequately equipped for clear thoughts in the midst of combat engagements and under the expectations of team members.
General Irabor therefore charged the officers to ensure that troops under their command are adequately educated to act within the ambit of the law, as well as observe the rules of engagement within the operational theater.